Welcome back to jaredbodine.com, the tech you need to know. I was so excited when today I got a package in the mail. Now I knew it was coming, but still it didn't take away from the excitement. I ordered these during the 2023 Prime Day event. These items were invite only, so I was really excited when in the 11th hour of Prime Day, I got my invite. I got two versions of them. There's actually a third one, but I really only went for the two. One is Darth Vader, one is a stormtrooper. Both of these appear to be legitimate licensed by Disney, so they're not knockoffs, which is kind of nice. Let's unbox them and see what the heck I'm talking about. I'm going to start first with the Darth Vader. Now, I didn't say what these were, I just said these were things that I got online from Amazon Prime Day, and they were invite only. One of the good things I should mention while I unbox this, it's no longer invite only. You can buy these online anytime you want on Amazon. There should be a link down below. All right, what is it exactly? It is, in my opinion, what is probably the coolest holder you're ever gonna find for an Echo device. So Amazon has all these different Echo devices, and there's all these different generations. This particular one is only compatible with the Echo Dot 4th and 5th gens. But this has got to be the coolest thing you'll ever find to hold your Echo Dot 4th or 5th gen. Now this one is obviously black, so it'll match the black models the best. I don't have a 4th or 5th gen Dot that is black, but I still bought this anyway because I'm gonna give this to one of my friends for Christmas coming up. So that'll be a cool surprise for him because I think this is the coolest thing ever. Look at the detail on this thing. It's even got, you know how like the front of Darth Vader's mask has these little nubs here? It's got those in there. And the nubs are surprisingly, I mean, it's a different kind of material. So it's not just one solid pour. And here's something else that's really cool. This right here, you notice the eyes of Darth Vader's mask here is semi-transparent. When the Echo is activated, the bottom has lights, which will be picked up in here and make the eyes glow. How cool is that? I loved the Darth Vader one. The one I did get for me is the Stormtrooper. And the reason why I got this one is because I have a very dark movie room. My movie room has all the walls, the bookshelf, everything is painted in this really dark slate gray, almost black color. And I figured if I got the Darth Vader and put it in that room, you'd never see it. I want this to go on the bookshelf in the movie room, and this has a white color that's really gonna pop, I think, and just look so much cooler on the bookshelf of my movie room. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful, and look at the detail. It's got a couple extra stickers, even in the back. I mean, the back looks good. I don't like that there's visible screw holes. I like this cable management built right into the back here. Both of these went for the same price, by the way. I like that it has the same thing with the eyes, which I'll show you in a minute. And this one even has some cutouts in the sides for the side of the helmet as well. So I think this, honestly, I think this is better than the Darth Vader one. Plus with the mix of plastic, you got the black tones here, plus the white, some other cool little highlights here. And these aren't just stickers. It looks like, yeah, these aren't stickers. This is actually like printed on. So this is very quality made. I think this looks extremely premium, especially for the price that I paid for it. I got an Amazon Prime discount. Currently, I think it's running for about 40 bucks or so. And yeah, if you're doing the math, that's almost the exact same price as the Echo Dot itself. I know, but it's so much better than just an Echo Dot. Because Prime Day had deals, I got myself the Echo Dot, but the 5th gen, because again, as I mentioned, the 4th gen, no longer available. I wanted to make sure I got one that matched, so I got the white colored Echo Dot. Now, I don't think there's any point in doing a product review of the Echo Dot. There's 10 million of these already on the web, and they're all going to tell you basically the same thing. Of this cool guy. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it fits so good too. I mean, it's cut out just perfect. Now, obviously, there's a break in the, it's not perfectly round dome because you want to have the the speaker exposed and the controls exposed on top. But it fits remarkably well. I do have the black Darth Vader model, and I can put it in just so you can see how well it fits. Clearly it doesn't look right, not being the same color. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep that. Now, let's fire this bad boy up. It looks like running. All right, let's plug this bad boy in and see how it looks. Okay, light's not turning on yet. Come on, wake up. Oh, that's gorgeous. And notice here, even on the side, you get a little bit of that light. And because the lights wrap around the base of the dot, you can see it go back and forth across as this thing boots.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Hola.
So I already went online.
Your Echo is ready.
And I already pre-configured it. So that's why I plugged it in, opened up the app on my phone, and voila, good to go. Okay, so I've got like half lights on, just enough to kind of give me a little bit so you can see me a bit darker here, so you can see this device and when the eyes light up. Alexa, tell me a Star Wars joke.
What do Keanu Reeves and Baby Yoda have in common? They age at the same rate.
That's the best you could do. Tell me a funny Star Wars joke.
What's the best football play on Tatooine? Jabba the Hutt Hutt. Hike!
I might hit the mute just to give that cool red glow to the eyes. Oh, that's so cool, right? Well, there you have it. My unboxing and review of these two very cool styles. There is also one of the Mandalorian, which looked pretty cool, but I guess I'm old school. These two just really spoke to me. Something about this mask just screamed, this is the one for your dark movie room. So I look forward to putting this puppy up in my movie room and using it with pride. What's better, Star Wars or Star Trek?
I choose both. Can't we all just live long and prosper while the Force is with us?
Cop out. Thank you for checking out my channel, jaredbodine.com, the tech you need to know.